Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic, thinking in English. Many learners of English make one big mistake. They try to translate their thoughts from their native language into English. This slows them down and makes their English unnatural. If you want to speak English fluently, the first step is to start thinking in English. So, what does it mean to think in English? It means that your mind starts forming sentences in English, not in your own language. Speaking becomes easier and faster. Why is thinking in English so important? There are many reasons. Fluency comes faster. When you think in English, you do not waste time translating words in your head. This makes your speech smooth. Confidence increases. If you stop translating, you feel more natural. You speak freely without hesitation. Mistakes become learning opportunities. When you think in English, you focus more on expressing ideas rather than perfection. This helps you improve faster. Now, many people ask, I want to think in English, but my mind always translates. How can I change this? Don't worry, it is normal in the beginning. Thinking in English is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Let me share some simple steps to start thinking in English. Step 1. Start small. Begin with small sentences. Describe your daily activities in English. For example, I am drinking water. I am going to the market. I am reading a book. At first, you may speak slowly, and that's okay. Small sentences will train your brain to use English automatically. Step 2. Use your surroundings. Look around and name things in English. For example, in your room, think, this is a chair. The window is open. I see a blue pen. This helps your brain link objects with English words instead of translating from your language. Step 3. Talk to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself in English is very effective. Describe your feelings, your plans, or your thoughts. For example, I feel happy today. I will cook dinner at 7 p.m. Tomorrow, I will meet my friend. Talking to yourself may feel strange, but it is very powerful. It trains your mind to use English naturally. Step 4. Learn phrases, not only words. Many learners memorize single words, but thinking in English is easier if you learn phrases. For example, instead of hungry, say, I am hungry. Instead of tired, say, I am tired today. Phrases give context, and your brain starts forming complete sentences automatically. Step 5. Read and listen in English. Read English articles, stories, or newspapers. Listen to English podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos. While reading or listening, try to think about the meaning in English, not in your native language. For example, if you read, she is walking in the park, your brain should understand it directly, not translate it. Step 6. Use your imagination. Imagine situations in your mind and describe them in English. For example, I am traveling to London. I see Big Ben. I take photos. I am cooking pasta. I add vegetables and spices. This technique helps your brain form English thoughts quickly. Step 7. Practice every day. Consistency is very important. Even 20 to 30 minutes of daily thinking in English is better than 2 hours once a week. Make it a habit. You can do it while walking, traveling, cooking, or before sleeping. Now, let's talk about common challenges learners face when thinking in English. Translating from native language. This is the most common mistake. Your brain is used to thinking in your first language. Stop translating word by word. Focus on understanding and forming ideas in English directly. Fear of mistakes. Many people think, what if I say it wrong? Remember, mistakes are part of learning. When you think in English, you practice, make mistakes, and improve. Limited vocabulary. Sometimes, You cannot think in English because you don't know words. The solution is to learn new words and use them in sentences immediately. Don't just memorize. Here are some practical tips to overcome these challenges. Keep a small notebook of new words and phrases. Write sentences in English daily. Speak to yourself in English for at least 10 minutes every day. Watch English movies or series and think about the dialogues in English, not translate them. Join English-speaking groups online or offline. Even simple conversation helps your brain think in English faster. Another question is, how to know if we are really thinking in English? A good sign is when your brain starts forming sentences automatically without pause. For example, you see a tree and immediately think, "The tree is tall," instead of translating it from your language. Remember, thinking in English is a habit and a skill. The more you practice, the faster you improve. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The secret is daily practice and patience. Start today. Think in English, speak in English, and soon you will see amazing improvement. Thank you.